So, let us proceed with solving the problems that is, ang topic niya is simple interest. So, I have here 9 problems. So, every 3 will take a break. And, let's see if we can finish this in isang pasada. Okay? So, this is problem number 1. Determine the ordinary simple interest on 700. Ibig sabihin, meron kang given na 700 pesos for 8 months and 15 days if the rate of interest is 15%. So, ordinary sinabi dyan. As you can remember, you can recall, that in ordinary years, you have 1 month is equal to 30 days. So, ang binigay sa'yo dyan, given N is equal to 8 months and 15 days. So, ito, meron kang 8 months, di ba? You have 30 days. So, 8 months, you multiply this with 30 days in a month plus 15 days. So, 240 days plus 15 days. Ilang days ang meron ka dun sa term mo? That is simply 255 days. Yan yung periods or interest period na meron ka. Now, what is the rate of interest? Okay? Determine the ordinary simple interest. So, you are ought to find yung I. Okay? The value of I. So, ano ang principal mo dyan? Okay? Ano ang ano mo dyan? Ano ang simple interest mo? Ordinary simple interest, lagay mo dyan, I-O, ordinary. That is equal to P-I-N. Ipin. Oh, meron tayong given na principal which is 700 pesos. So, yun know, principal mo is 700 pesos. And then, yung N mo nandito na. And then, the rate of interest, I. So, we'll find the value of interest. I-O, for ordinary, that is 700 pesos multiply to I, which is, ano yun? 15%, 0.5. And then, meron kang N. Kaya lang, yung N mo, i-divide mo na number of days, ordinary. Eh, yung N mo is 255 days. 255. 255 days. Tapos ito, days din. Compute natin yung value. May maka-cancel dyan. I-cancel natin yung same units, yung days, days. Okay. I-O will be, or the ordinary simple interest for the value of 700 pesos as principal is simply 700 times 0.15 multiply to 255 divide by 360. Dahil that is simple ordinary interest or ordinary simple interest. The value is for interest 74.375. Yan yung tinubo mo. Yan yung naging interest of the money. But,
Sir,
anong hinahanap dyan?
ba't naging 15, sir, yung interest sa calculator?
15%.
15%. Ayan, 15%.
0.5 po
Oo
kasi
nga
yung
pala.
nasa...
0.5 kasi
nakorek ko na. 0.15. O, yan yung naging simple interest natin. What if, sabi niya, I want to find the future worth of the money. Oh, we apply this one. The future worth of the money is, P plus I. What is your principal? What is your principal? Okay. The principal is 700 pesos. plus 74.375. Ganyan mo na. Pesos. So, the future worth or after 255 days, yung naging principal mo na 700 will become 774.375 pesos. Don't you ever, okay, class, don't you ever round off on the value of the decimals when it comes to money. Okay? Lalo na sa interest. Kapag na-compute mo sa interest, 0.15, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5, 6, 5, you have to use that length of decimal places in order for you to get the exact value. Kasi yung pag-round off mo ng value of interest mo will make a big difference dun sa kikitain mo or money mo. You either lose your money or you either ask for too much. Okay? Understood?